It was a little bit of a strange week. I spent a lot of time behind the computer. I made a lot of designs. I tried to think about different solutions for different challenges. I searched for materials. I found some. I ordered some in the end. So 1 week in the garden? Not really. Now I'm trying to tie up all the loose ends. I did finish something though. I worked from top to bottom, so I finished my vaulted ceiling. That's one task finished. Ah. It's a dirty job, ceiling. Oh, that's right. Whew. Well, things just don't happen and fall out of the sky. So today I'm going to visit the stone quarry because I was thinking maybe to have natural stone on the floor in the sauna. Not a bad idea. Yeah, so I don't know what kind of video it's going to be this week. It's not going to be a boom 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 video, that's for sure. But then again, preparations take a lot of time too, you know. As you can see with the signs on the wall, I figured out the light plan and we have all the signs where to make the cuts to bring the conduit, etc. That's the central area. Got a couple of interesting ones here. Distribution box for all the lights in the sauna area. Distribution box for lights and electricity in the kitchen and in the bathroom. The plumber too. Well, that's even the least of the work because I already left a couple of openings. But all of that takes 2 parts of 2 days. Now tomorrow morning I have to go and pick up natural stones that I've chosen for the sauna floor. The whole area will use the same one. And in the angle where I'm gonna put the wood stove, I'm also gonna put natural stones. I think it's gonna look really nice. But that again takes like a day to go to one stone quarry and another one, check the prices, etc. Then there is all the stuff concerning sauna. Now, whenever you talk to someone in the neighborhood, they all tell you, oh, it's a great idea, what a nice idea, but it's not a very common product. So they don't have a lot of saunas here. So it's proving to be very hard to find all the right materials. Anyway, having said that, the plan is to finish the ceiling, at least the first round. Two more bags. Right. Well, the first coat is on. Great. Okay. I need to order sand, cement, 2 types of sand. Mamma mia. Alright. Ceiling versus. Yeah, well, you know what? It's a bit of a strange week. Strange in the sense that I have to organize a lot of things. Order, search. Now I have to go out again to place another order. Uh, so yeah, you start to do something, but you don't have a full day really. I did these two. Want to see how they end up. You're never gonna get straight, that's for sure. So it's gonna be a bit rustic, unfortunately. It's okay. And this is probably the worst job. Scala natura in Italian. Oh man. And you know, they have these machines with a vacuum cleaner connected and you but you know, I don't have that machine and guess we have to do it like this a little bit. This has been bothering me for a year and a half really. Want to make it pretty. So I started to use the same product here. I'm gonna do 2 coats too. Lots of corners and angles, but and then probably get myself some tiles on top. Yeah. Va bene. Allora, piace. So I can't get it any better than that. And I figured out a way to do it because like this, whoop, Of course, it's not the end result that we want. Allora, mamma mia, che lavoro. So, one bag left and a small piece, just like not even half a meter. But then I have the outdoor kitchen, so let's see what time it is. Maybe I can finish it today, huh? Do I fall behind? Wait for me. I guess at a certain point you have to be able to say, I'm satisfied, but that is not so easy as it seems to be. Ah. But you know what? I'm satisfied. I don't know if anybody can see it, but yeah, I trimmed the row of trees a little bit. I cleaned the sides. I have to finish this little terrace. And then there's the wood that has been moved twice and it needs to be moved one more time. Yeah, it looks friendlier, huh? Oh yeah. I had to run a couple of errands this morning and I thought, oh, okay, today I'm gonna take a day off. The sun is out, it's really nice. A bit of rest. It was a bit of a strange week and it continues to be because I've been ordering a lot of things, but I need to have them delivered in the right order. And then there are some loose ends to finish. Thanks for watching and see you next week.